What's up, everybody? This is Chris with Remax Gold Coast Realtors. I'm here again with Chad from Guild Mortgage. We're going to talk about PMI, private mortgage insurance.
Okay, so private mortgage insurance is actually a good thing. I know it sounds counterintuitive because a lot of people just hate it. There's this disdain for it. And actually, what it used to be a long time ago is that you used to have 20 or even 40% down way back in the day, and it took forever. So it was like a moving target. So we tell somebody, hey, go out and save, so let's say houses were 100,000 then. Go save 20 grand. And they would spend 3-4 years saving that money. Then they would come back with 20 grand. Well, guess what? Now we go, hey, the house prices are 150.
Right.
So you need to go out and save some more money.
You're constantly chasing it too.
You're constantly chasing it. So they go out, they save some more money. Again, they come back. It's just this repeat cycle. And so these companies called private mortgage insurance came in and said, hey, you know what? Tell you what, lenders, you're comfortable at 80%. We're going to insure you for anything you lose above 80% in the event of a foreclosure. And we will have the buyer pay the premium. And so what it allowed somebody to do was get in at that 100,000 before they had the 20% down, so that by the time we got to 150, they were able to refinance or just get it removed.
Got it.
So it allowed people to get into the game sooner than later. Do you want PMI long term? No. Long term, PMI is bad, but short term, it gets people into the game.
Exactly. Yeah, that's one of the things I learned from you that was kind of eye opening. Was I was doing the normal trash talking PMI, like, oh, who wants that? And then you reminded me that, without PMI, a whole lot of people would never be able to buy a house.
Yeah.
So, I mean, as far as that, I think it really changed the way I think about it.
Yeah, it really is a tool that we want to leverage. And like any tool, you would need to know when to use it, when not to use it. I mean, sometimes you get a hammer, everything looks like a nail. Well, no, wait a minute, now everything's a nail. You don't always use your hammer. So same with PMI. The one thing about FHA PMI is it's not removable. Right now, it's currently for life. I'm hoping that they'll review that and look at it again. And of course, VA has no monthly mortgage insurance. They just have that one-time funding fee that goes to VA and no monthly PMI.